Let's make apple juice for refreshment. Hello sweetie, welcome. Just how you love it, simple and delicious. Start, I will be needing apple. I have 3 pieces of apple. All I do now is to add that inside a bigger bowl, then add in water that will enable me to get that raised. So I add in a half cup of water, then give that a very good whisk. Before that, I will be adding some vinegar. Always try to wash your fruit with vinegar or salt. Then after doing that, I will get that whisk until it's clean and ready to use. What I will be doing next is to use this my scraper to scrape out the skin of the apple. I will just keep on the process until everything is well peeled and ready to use. Now I have the apple. All I do now is to transfer that inside this blending cup. So I will be blending that twice. Then first of all, blending the first batch. After adding the first quantity, then I will add in water that will enable me to get that blend, and then cover that to get smooth, nice and blend. Now that I'm done blending, it blends so nice. All I do now is to transfer that inside a streamer. So you have to get that stream and get rid of the fiber. I will keep on the process until everything is streamed and ready to enjoy. Yeah. Here we have the juice, so clean, and now it's ready to go. So this is the last stream I will give that. So I get this stream uses the same time this net filter, so that will enable you to get everything so clean and you will not see anything stone or dirty. So at this point, I'm going to transfer the juice inside this jar. So this is the jug. I'll be saving that and then transfer everything inside the jar, and this point is ready for everyone to come and enjoy. This is what you need in this time, guys. Whether it's so hot, you need something like this to cool your head and cool your mind. So that is just the best way to get your apple juice. Kids love this, everyone love it. Try to share and follow this process. I love you in my next one. Bye.